Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now friends, at the very outset, a very happy Holi to you, and may this festival bring the best colors of life to you. Today we talk about a stock idea from Chola Securities with a potential upside of about 24%. Another disclosure, friends, is that we have it in our portfolio for the last 3 to 4 years, and it is already an 8-bagger or so for us. So please consider this in mind while you watch this video. Also friends, if you are benefited by the content that you see on our channel, please don't forget to share this video because it could help our channel grow and in turn bring better content to you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Balkrishna Industries Limited, which was recommended initially at 1127. The common minimum price right now is 1060.15, which means that it's available at a better price compared to when this stock was initially recommended. The target price for this stock was 1314. The symbol for this company is BALKRISIND. Now, Balkrishna Industries is focused solely on off-highway tires catering to agriculture and industrial segments. A low, close to 5% share of the global market makes Chola Securities believe that reasonable room exists for several years of growth. Now, if you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would see that this company has been a consistent wealth creator and a lot of people have made money here. The market cap of the company is 20,494.52 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The EPS is 35.34, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 30.00. The industry PE is 21.06, which means that this company is more expensive compared to its industry. The book value is 183.56, translating into a price to book ratio of 5.78, which again appears a bit expensive. The dividend yield is 0.75, whereas the promoter holding here is good at 58.30. The 52-week high for the company stands at 1274.20, whereas the 52-week low is 627.52. Now friends, again remember here that in the month of December there was a bonus and hence you must take that into consideration. Now friends, in the recent past we have uploaded 2 videos where there was a stock split and people had not taken into consideration that same while commenting that we had provided wrong information. So that is why we wanted to set it straight here that the information that you see here is inclusive of the bonus. So different websites may choose to show that information differently. So please take that into consideration while arriving at these figures. Friends, please don't consider any of these what we have discussed right now to be considered as stock recommendations. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for now. Thanks for watching and we will see you soon with another video.